Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Ermi is reading a storybook. Out of total of 200 pages, he manages to read 3/25 of the book every day. After 3 days, how many pages are left for him to read? Firstly, total number of pages of a book, or there are 200 pages. Okay, number of pages read by Ermi every day is 3/25 of 200. It means 3 into 8 means 24 pages read by Ermi every day. So, after 3 days, number of pages read by him is given by number of pages read by every day means 24 into number of days means 3. So it will give 72. Hence, pages left for him after 3 days is given by 200 minus 72. It means 128.